I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me.
Welcome to the Paris Las Vegas Hotel. This is a real eye-catching beauty. Right when you get outside, you see the cafes and the Eiffel Tower. It's magnificent. And then you walk inside, and it's like you're still outside. There's all sorts of skyscapes and city lights, and the base of the Eiffel Tower is right there inside the casino. It is so much fun. I was really delighted. You've got to come check out Paris Las Vegas Hotel at nighttime because it is amazing. With all the lights outside and the city turns darker at sunset, and then every 20 minutes the Bellagio fountain goes off across the street. There's so many people buzzing around and it's so breathtaking. I can't wait to come back and see it, and you've got to come see it too.
I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast. I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Until
At the moment, it's a bit quieter in this area, so I feel like I can hold the camera down and show you the really cool streets of Paris. It's like cobblestone, so the lily stones everywhere and brick, and so there's such detail in the ground, to the walls, to the sky, to the lighting, to the plants. It really feels lived in, like it's active Paris. And I've been to Paris before, and although it's obviously not the real Paris, it is absolutely fun, and a lot of care and consideration was taken into all the concepts and layers, and I think you'll really like it.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast.
here's a little glimpse of the view from my airplane ride over the state of Nevada. Snow-capped mountains. And we're almost arriving at Las Vegas City. Thanks for watching.